Right on time here at 9:30 to learn about a national initiative shining light on the triad.
Yeah, on Saturday, Arts for Everybody will take place in 18 communities across the country, including Winston-Salem. Now, the local event is specifically called Creative Wellness Community Day. It runs from 10 o'clock in the morning until 3 p.m. at the United Health Centers at the Marketplace Mall.
Well, this is certainly special for our area, and to tell us more, we have Shannon Stokes with the Arts Council of Winston-Salem in Forsyth County. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Sure, so please just tell us more about Arts for Everybody and its purpose.
Yes, as you mentioned, Arts for Everybody is a national initiative centered on health and wellness. And Winston-Salem was selected as one of the 18 cities to participate in this national initiative. And so the purpose is to really examine how arts can build healthier individuals and then in turn build healthier communities.
Okay, so Saturday is the big event, again, Creative Wellness Community Day. Shannon, can you talk about some of the activities that will be available?
Sure. So our local initiative, we decided to focus on mental health and well-being. And so we curated a day full of both creative activities and health resources. And our site team, our local site team, which is made up of Arts Council, Winston-Salem, Forsyth County, Thomas S. Keenan Institute for the Arts at University of North Carolina School of the Arts, City of Winston-Salem Neighborhood Services, Forsyth County Health and Human Services, and United Health Center. So it's a big cohort. We came together and planned this event as a kickoff to really share with the community all the resources and wealth of creativity that we have in our community and how it can be utilized as a tool. So some of the things people will experience on Saturday will include a drum circle, entertainment from local bands, spoken word. It is truly representative of the community. And then participants will be able to engage in actual public arts activities. So there'll be things for the kids, adults, everyone.
Awesome, Shannon. Will you share as well how the health resources will be incorporated with those activities that you just mentioned?
Yes, so both of our site team partners, Forsyth County Health and Human Services and United Health Centers, will be offering basic health screenings that day. In addition to resources, we do have some representation from community organizations that are health-based as well. And so people will be able to get materials and handouts about how you can access mental health services or behavioral health services, whether it's for youth or adults, just understanding what's available in the community. I think is the first step in bringing that awareness to help build healthier communities.
Sure, to see what sorts of resources are available to people in the community too. Kind of going back to the grand scope of things a bit, Shannon, can you talk about what it's been like to have Winston-Salem be a part of such a nationally exclusive event?
It has been wonderful. I think Winston-Salem is a hidden gem, and we have so much beauty here and so much creativity, and the arts and culture can be utilized as a tool to really help communities move forward, whether it's through health or any other type of social impact. And so as a site team, we have been working on this project for the last 2 years. We've also have a larger research piece where it talks about the social cohesion of the arts, like how the arts make people feel more connected and together, and therefore improves healthier communities, but also improves community engagement and civic engagement.
Really at all ages too. I feel like this event would benefit people. Shannon, is that right?
Yes, that is correct. It's free, open to the public. We'll have food trucks, we'll have music, and lots of fun.
Awesome, Shannon. Well, we were so glad to have you tell us all about it here on the Local Vibe. Here's that information again for you at home. The Winston-Salem Arts for Everybody event is Saturday, July 27th from 10 until 3. It's happening at the United Health Centers in the Marketplace Mall that's located on Peters Creek Parkway. And as you heard her mention, free, open to the public. You can always stay updated by visiting intothearts.org.